Look at that girl. Yes. All right, outdoorsmen, we just pulled off the side of the road. We're getting ready to go fish this creek we found last year. It's a pretty sweet little spot. It's got one deep hole under the bridge that holds shoal bass. So that will be the targeted species today. But as always, we'll be happy with anything we catch. We're about to get after it. I'll show you what works at the end of the video. And let's go catch some fish. There's a fish. Yes. We caught our little bass. Look at that. Little creekside bass, I'll take it. Fish number one. Easy there, buddy. I'm putting you back. Little creekside largemouth bass. Bye-bye. Let's see what else is hiding out in here. There's a fish. Yes. There's our colorful red breast. Look at that guy. Super pretty colors. All right, species number two, old red breast. Bye-bye. All right, we're gonna give this little swim bait an opportunity to work one more time. I really want to catch one on this thing, but I think I got the wrong color. Should have got a white or something that sticks out a little more. I think this just blends in too much. We shall see. Come on now, Matthew. It seems a bit extreme, but I know there are bigger bass and bigger fish that live in here that might go for this. Truthfully, probably not, but I just wanted to try it. All right. Never know. Oh my God, we're on the glide bait. Come on, baby. Get over here, buddy. On the glide bait, yes. Yes. Yes, we'll take it. All day long, baby. Look at that red-eye bass. On the glide bait. I told y'all, this bait is gonna do something in the creek. I don't know why, they just love white. There we go. Yes, Mr. Glide Bait fish. That is awesome. From the tiny little creek. Thanks for playing, buddy. Pretty bass. It's got a toothy patch. Is that a spotted bass or just a red-eye bass? Anyhow, cool creek find, man. We're gonna put you back. Goodbye. All right, y'all. We've got 3 fish, 2 species. Actually, we maybe have 3 species because I think the first one was a little largemouth. Then we caught the red-breasted sunfish. And I think that last one that we just pulled out of this little creek on the glide bait was either a shoal bass or a red-eye bass. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that one up. We're trying to catch a shoal bass, and I don't think we've done it yet. Anyhow, that was exciting. Stick with us. We're gonna try to get a couple more. Before we muck it up too much, we're gonna try to get another one. Glide bait is doing it, y'all. Let's see if we can't get some more. All right, we got the Helgermite on deck. I forget what color they call that. If it catches a fish, I'll let you know. Got my phone all wet. Come on, baby. Come on out of that rock. Come on over here, girl. Come on over here. Ah, come here. Woo! That was the one we were after. On the Tumbleweed. Yes! Now I don't have a scale. I always forget my scale when something like that happens. Look at my butt. I'm all wet. That is awesome. That is what we were after. Look at that, in the corner of the mouth. That is a healthy, shoot man, probably 3.5 pound. Look at the stripes on her. Beautiful fish. Little toothy patch on the tongue. Anyhow, that's what we were here for, man. Got our big shoal bass from the creek. Red eyes. Look at those stripes. That's the one we were after. Look at that girl. Yes! All right, we're gonna get the release job. Try to bring y'all along for that. You're on the tripod, so this is going to be difficult. All right, here we go. Into the water, girl. Thank you for playing. Bye. Yes. That is the fish we came here for. Hope it showed up well. I'm using a tripod instead of the chest mount. Busted my butt when that fish hit the Tumbleweed. But it worked, man. I was just kind of letting that lure drift through there real natural like, and she smacked the crap out of it. That was a great fight. Truthfully, the fish I came here for. Yes. Yes. We lost a whopper plopper in that section of trees behind us. We caught the one on the white glide bait. And then the Tumbleweed, man. I really discounted that lure when I was lake fishing, but maybe for these moving streams and clear water, that real natural floating presentation is gonna be killer, man. That was sick. That was a great bite. All right, we might stick around and try to get 1 or 2 more, but we're almost out of time. That made the whole trip right there, man. When I tested this tumbleweed lure out on the new lure challenge, I did not like it. But I thought maybe letting that guy free drift in the current would do something for us. And it sure did. It turned on in a big way. Let's see if we can't find another one in there, and if not, we're gonna call it with that last one, but that was awesome. All right, we didn't bust our butt for that one, but it looks like the tumbleweed will catch more than one species. Oh, sorry. Bye-bye. All right, so for the tumbleweed, y'all have seen this one a couple videos ago, but that's it. This time I just did that on a wacky rig hook and just fished that weightless, let it flow with the current, and it was working, man. Well, y'all saw what I got. That was the only one. No, I think I did get a red-breasted sunfish on this thing too. So multi-species kind of lure. It was targeting bass, caught a bass. Still not super happy with this guy, but I would say it works better in current than it does still water, so probably a creek lure for me, or a river lure. And then the first one came on this white glide bait. This is a custom jobber that we got off of Facebook Marketplace last summer. Works pretty good. Intended it to be used for striper and white bass, but works well for bass as well. Anyhow, that's what worked for us. I think anything white will get the fish fired up. It seems like they're super aggressive this time of year in the creek. Probably any time of year, but primarily fish creeks in the spring. Y'all get after it, go catch some fish, and we'll see you real soon. Leave it better than you found it. And thanks for watching.